Hello there, welcome back to Phenomenal Based LMS. Want to enroll in our dual diploma program and apply for a grant? Follow this simple step to get started. First, visit our official website at maaledu.com. Click on the certification section at the top, then select Dual Diploma. Scroll down to explore all 11 modules, then click Add to Cart. Once you have added your courses, click on the card icon at the top to review your selections. If you have a grant code, you can find it in your notification bar or in your email. Enter the code and click Apply to enjoy a 50% discount, reducing the total price from $6,000 to $3,000. Now, choose your preferred payment method and complete your transaction securely. For credit or debit card payments, enter your card details and proceed with the payment. For crypto payment, follow the provided steps and upload your transaction proof in JPG, PNG, or Docs format. And that's it. You are now enrolled. Get ready to start your learning journey with Phenomenal Based LMS.